Hello everyone, this is Shivagami from SNS College of Engineering as I am an assistant professor in the Department of AIDS. Today we are going to learn about the topic is this keyword. This is a reference variable that refers to the current object. This is a keyword which represent an object in a method or constructor. It is basically used to eliminate the confusion between the class, attributes and parameters with the same name. Then this keyword, the main motto of this keyword is different form parameter and the data members of the class. In this case, the formal parameters and data members of the class are the same, then it leads to ambiguity. So in order to differentiate between formal parameter and the data member of the class, the data member of the class must be preceded by this keyword. Basically, this keyword can be used in two ways, this and this open and close parenthesis. This it can be used to differentiate variable of class and formal parameters of methods or constructor. Not only that, it always point to the current class object. Syntax: this dot data member of the current class. 2. This method it can be used to call one constructor within another without creating the object multiple times for the same class. Syntax for this method, this include the parameterized also value 1 and value 2. This keyword, the usages of this keyword here given in 6 usages of Java. This keyword, this can be used to refer current class in instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method. This function can be used to invoke the current class constructor. This can be possessed an argument in the method call. This can be passed as argument in the constructor call. This can be used to return the current class instance from the method. Then this to refer the current class instance variable. This keyword can be used to refer the current class instance variable. If there is an ambiguity between the instance variable and parameters, this keyword involves the problem of ambiguity. This keyword can be very helpful in variable handling. Here you cannot create two instance local variables within the same name. However, is it possible to create one instance variable and one local variable with the same name? In this case, the local variable will be able to hide the instance variable. This called variable handling. And then to refer current class instance variable, this keyword can be used to refer the current class instance variable if there is an ambiguity between the instance variables and parameters. This keyword resolves the problems of ambiguity. This keyword can be very helpful in variable handling. Here you cannot create two instance local variables with the same name. However, it is possible to create one instance variable and one local variable with the same name. In this case, the local variable will be able to hide the instance variable. This is called the variable handling. In here, we give the example for this keyword. Class students in roll number string. I have assigned the string name float fee. Student function, I have passed the three parameters int roll number, string name, float fee. Here I have used the same name for both sides. This dot roll number equal to roll number, this dot name equal to name, this dot fee equal to fee. Then void display method. In this method I have just print the roll number, name and fee. Then I have create a main class name test2, this two public static void main. The public static void main is the main function for the Java program. Student class, I have created one variable s1 equal to new student. I have passed the values for that function. Okay, then I have to create a object 2. Pass the values for the function. Then I call the display function s1 dot display function and s2 dot display function. This s1 dot display function is called the display function. The parameters values are 111, Ankit and 5000 will be printed. To invoke current class method, you may invoke the method of the invoke the method of the current class by using this keyword. If you don't use this keyword, compiler automatically adds this keyword while invoking the methods. In here also we give an example for that. And then this constructor, to invoke current class constructor, this constructor call can be used to invoke the current class constructor. It is used to reuse the constructor. In other words, it is used for constructor chaining. Here we give the example also. In here we given the example for parameterized constructor. Thank you everyone.